Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button and stick with me to the end of this video if you want to learn how to design the XG logo you just saw now. So don't forget to get in touch and share this video, like this video, comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you. Alright, so I'll just have to start with the design of this logo. So I can just go to shapes and select what I need for this design. I'll be selecting this square shape. So at this point, I'll just have to increase the length, increase this, just adjust it like this, reduce it like this, and just place it this way. Then I'll go to copy. So I'll copy this and rotate it like this and place it here. Can just place it like this. Good. So I'll go to shapes again, but this time around this shape I'll have to change the color. Let me take blue for it, then increase the width like this, and I'll place it here. I'll place it like this in such a way that it will be covering all the upper spaces that is here. Then I'll copy this again and do the same thing for the under like this. You can also use this to adjust it well. Then after I'm done with this, I'll merge everything that is here. Then go to erase color, enable this erase color, and then select this blue one and mark good. I can also go to crop because I want to crop out the working area of this. Good. So I can just reduce the size a bit and then go to shapes again. Go to shapes. I'll pick this shape again, reduce the size in such a way that it will fit in like this to this X that is here. Then I can just adjust it like this. Good. So I'll copy this, reduce the size and place it here so that it will cover this space that is here. Good. Then I'll go to shapes again, select this same shape again, then select this blue color and increase the radius like this. Good. Then I'll place it here. I'll place it like this. Can just reduce it like this and then place it here. So I'll go to shapes again. Go to shapes, then select this square shape like this, reduce the size, and I'll place it like this. Use position to adjust it well. Good. I'll also copy this. I'll copy this and I'll then adjust it, rotate it, and place it on top of this one. So I can use this position again, just like I've been doing before, to adjust everything that is here. Good. So I'm done with this logo now. I'm done with the design of this particular side. I can just merge them together. So I'll go to merge. Then I'll select everything that is here. Then merge. Go to erase color, enable it, and I'll erase this blue color. Good. So this is the logo here. I'll just have to make a little edit. So I can just go to my color. I'll select the gradient I want to add to this design. I want to select a thick and nicer gradient. Can just select this, then Good. I think this one is better. Good. So I can just add the name of this logo, but I'll use XG as an example. So I'll just edit it and just input the text XG logo. Increase the size, increase the size, increase the size. Then I'll change the font of this to the font I want. I would like to use this font, so I can just pick this and then ensure that it's well adjusted, and then I'll place it here. I can equally, since I'm making use of purple and a blue color, I can just use that same color here, or I'll pick a purple color, but I would like to pick a blue color like this, and then go down to stroke, add a stroke, and I can just increase the emboss, add emboss shadow, emboss effect to it, place it here, and then do the same to this one. I can just add shadow, go to emboss, adjust it, and also adjust the light and the thickness too. I can just adjust the thickness, the light, and everything concerning it. It's just a way of making the logo to look nice and to look good. All right, so I can just merge these two things together like this. So this is how I was able to design this XG logo. If this video is useful to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and get in touch on the previous videos and the next videos I'll be uploading, so you'll be able to gain a lot of knowledge from this channel. All right, so thank you once again for being here. Share this video, share your comments in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible.